Okay, how do you add an address to someone's contact? Well, in your phone app, if you go to the contact list, let's say you wanted to organize your address book as well, so you entered in their address. Go to the contact, and up here at the top you see edit. You need to edit the contact and scroll down to add address. We are going to add a fake address. And then when you're done, click done. Now you'll see their contact has an address. And when you click that, it'll take you to the map, if it was a real address. So if you needed to see their house on a map, you could just go to your contacts, go to the right contact, and then now you'll see there's a map there that you can click and easily get to.